The 2026 Suzuki Wagon R VXL emerges as a bold reimagination of the staple city hatchback, aiming to merge Suzuki's trusted efficiency with modern styling, smarter technology, and enhanced comfort. While Suzuki has not officially confirmed every detail about the VXL trim specifically, the leaks and early previews suggest that the 2026 iteration brings meaningful upgrades across design, performance, safety, and connectivity that make it stand out in the crowded small car segment. On the outside, the 2026 Wagon R preserves its characteristic, tall boy silhouette but refines it with sharper lines, more aggressive contours, and sleek LED lighting elements. The front fascia receives a sportier grille treatment, and the headlights adopt angular, slim profiles that contribute to a more modern presence on the road. The rear also sees updated taillights, a reshaped bumper, and a more integrated look overall, giving the Wagon R a more confident posture in traffic. The VXL variant, traditionally a top trim, is expected to adopt the more premium exterior touches, possibly sporty alloy wheels, dual-tone paint options, and richer detailing in chrome or gloss black accents. These styling enhancements are meant to bridge the gap between utilitarian charm and aspirational appeal. Inside, the VXL is anticipated to lead in cabin refinement. Reports suggest that the dashboard layout may be overhauled to include a floating infotainment touchscreen with a portrait or tablet style, supporting Android Auto and Apple CarPlay for seamless connectivity. Controls are expected to be more ergonomic, and the use of soft touch surfaces, better cushioning, and improved materials should elevate the comfort quotient. Rear passengers may enjoy better legroom and headroom, making the Wagon R more accommodating for family use. Storage solutions, such as well-placed cup holders, door bins, and small cubbies, are likely enhanced for practicality during daily commuting. Under the hood, Suzuki is expected to continue prioritizing fuel economy, possibly introducing mild hybrid or full hybrid powertrains alongside refined petrol engines. In preview videos and speculative reviews, efficiency figures upward of 25 km per liter are floated, which would be a meaningful jump for the class. The VXL trim may include the more powerful option in the lineup. Transmission choices might include a manual gearbox and an auto gear shift (AGS) or AMT system, giving drivers the flexibility between hands-on driving or convenient automatic operation. The emphasis here is on balancing spirited performance with frugal running costs for urban and suburban driving. Safety is becoming a more central selling point in the 2026 Wagon R VXL. Advanced driver assistance features like forward collision warning, automatic emergency braking, lane departure alerts, and possibly even adaptive cruise capabilities are hinted in teaser videos. The VXL is expected to come with a full suite of airbags, ABS with EBD, stability control, rear parking sensors, and perhaps even a rear camera or 360 degrees view system. The idea is to give buyers confidence not just in day-to-day driving, but in variable traffic conditions and congested routes. In terms of driving dynamics, Suzuki would aim to fine-tune the suspension and steering systems to better absorb road imperfections while retaining the nimble handling that Wagon R owners have come to appreciate. The ride should feel stable without being harsh, and the steering response expected to be more precise, especially in city maneuvers or tight parking situations. Given its compact size, visibility, maneuverability, and ease of parking remain core strengths in dense urban settings, and the 2026 version looks poised to reinforce those. For those interested in features, the VXL is likely to host premium touches not found in lower trims: keyless entry, push-button start, auto climate control, ambient lighting, and upgraded audio systems. Wireless smartphone charging and multiple USB ports may also become part of the package, enhancing the convenience of in-car tech for everyday use. While the final pricing and market availability are not confirmed, it's reasonable to expect that the 2026 Wagon R VXL will step up on cost relative to earlier models due to the richer features. But Suzuki's positioning strategy will likely aim to keep it competitive, especially in markets where the Wagon R has a reputation as a value-oriented urban choice. In Pakistan, however, there's a complicating factor. Pak Suzuki has reportedly suspended bookings for all Wagon R variants as of March 2025. That suggests the future of the Wagon R, including the VXL, in that market is uncertain, unless a resurrection or new local strategy is announced. Overall, the 2026 Suzuki Wagon R VXL looks set to be more than a facelift. It's shaping up to be a reinvention for the modern age of compact commuting. For prospective buyers, especially those seeking a balance between affordability, efficiency, and upgraded features, this iteration holds promise. Its success will depend on how well Suzuki balances ambition and cost, and whether the promised improvements translate into real-world satisfaction.